Hi, my name's Rhys Morris. I play guitar in the Welsh Youth Folk Ensemble Ifanc, which is a project run by Trac. So once I started playing folk music, I realised that there was a project run by Trac, gwerin, and I started going to that, and that was absolutely life-changing.
Yn tyfu fyny ym Machynlleth, fi oedd yr unig person ifanc oedd yn wneud cerddoriaeth gwerin. So pan nath rhywun sôn am y cwrs yma, oedd yn cael ei rhedeg gan Trac Cymru yn Glanllyn o'r enw Gwerin Gwallgo, oedd o'n swnio'n amazing, a erbyn hyn dwi jyst yn teimlo'n rhan o gymuned.
I'm Gwilym Bowen Rhys and I sing folk songs and some of my own songs as well. So it was in 2013, I think, I applied to be a part of Deg Mombus, which was like a crash course of Welsh traditional music for musicians, and that was really my first real contact with sort of Welsh traditional music and what it could be and what I could contribute to it. And since then, yeah, I haven't really looked back.
Nes I wneud cwpl o bethau hefo Trac a ges I gwahoddiad I ymuno hefo ifanc a mae wedi newid gyrfa fi o ran chwarae cerddoriaeth yn hollol a sa'n dod os ni fan hyn yn chwarae cerddoriaeth ar llwyfan yn rhywbeth fel na efo'r cefnogaeth dwi cael.
My name's Beth and I play the accordion. I'm also a clog dancer and I sing folk songs. Back in 2003, my dad sent me on this trip to Sweden that Trac had organised, and that's where everything started. That's where I met some of my best friends that I've known for the last 20 years, and if that trip had never happened, the band that I'm in would not be here today.
Jordan Price Williams I fi dod o Gwmafan yn Rhyddel, fi'n chwarae cello. When I first got into folk music, which I sort of fell into after I left music college, I used to go up to Beam, the Abraf Mawr. Trac used to run up in North Wales. And that was one of the first major sort of inductions that I had to Welsh traditional music. And it was also the place where I in fact met both Patrick Rhines and Ian Jones, who I now work with professionally.
Mae gallu bod yn rhan o'r ensemble wedi golygu bod wedi gallu chwarae gyda llwyth o bobl ar draws Cymru gyfan a gallu datblygu ein sgiliau ni o chwarae, ond hefyd sgiliau diwydiant ar gyfer bod yn rhan o'r sîn werin. Mae trwy ifanc dwi wedi cael syniadau lot mwy ar sut mae'r diwydiant cerddoriaeth yn gweithio, a nid just bod ar lwyfan a chwarae fe offeryn, ond hefyd yr elfennau tu ôl y llwyfan.
Trac has sort of always been there in the background, offering various things, from artist development days later to full artist development programs with projects that I've been working in. Essentially, I was always looking for this feeling of belonging, and that is what Welsh music and Welsh traditional music has always given me. For me, it brought together my creativity and this sense of belonging in my own home.
Dwi'n meddwl dylse pobl cyflogi Trac achos hebdyn nhw swn I byth wedi cael y profiadau dwi wedi cael. Doedd neb arall yn cynnig hynna tra mod i'n tyfu fyny.
Trac have also provided this opportunity for people to fully step in to this tradition and build creative careers. So the job that they're doing in a huge number of smaller tasks actually delivers something incredibly important and incredibly broad.
Os bysa Trac ddim yn bodoli, bysa wagle mawr yn gallu pobl ddarganfod cerddoriaeth werin o Gymru. Felly dwi'n meddwl mae'n hynod bwysig bod Trac yn cario ymlaen wneud y gwaith hynod maen nhw yn wneud. Swn i'n bendant yn annog unrhyw un sydd yn gwerthfawrogi cerddoriaeth traddodiadol Cymreig neu just cerddoriaeth brodorol yn gyffredinol dros y byd I gefnogi Trac.
I think Trac Cymru are very deserving of our support, just because of like the amount of help they offer to Welsh artists, and especially artists getting started out on their career, like the sort of kind of help they've offered to us with ifanc.
Mae'n really bwysig bod pobl yn cefnogi Trac. Mae cerddoriaeth yn gallu newid bywydau pobl. So bywyd fi yn hollol wahanol, a pwy a oedd beth sydd wedi digwydd I fi os oedd Trac ddim yna I fi mynd ar I gweithiau clocsio neu gweithiau ffidil.
Mae'n hanfodol I gefnogi be mae Trac Cymru'n ei wneud, oherwydd mae'n ffordd o wneud yn siŵr fod yr celfyddydau'n hygyrch i bawb.
Mae'n really bwysig bod pobl yn cefnogi trac achos nhw sy'n arwain y ffordd nawr.